All right, good morning, guys. I'm going to read you a book called by Dr. Wayne Dyer called Incredible You, 10 Ways to Let Your Greatness Shine Through, because you guys are magnificent people. So this is just 10 ways to remind us how great we are. Share the good. There is good in you and everyone else. Sharing this good with others is fun. You have so many ideas inside your mind. Set them free. You are one of a kind. So it looks like they're having a bake sale, maybe at a dog park. Number 2, find what you love. Think of something you love to do. That is your passion, so let it shine through. Never let fear hold you back. Do what you love. You're on the right track. Looks like this little girl loves to race loves to race horses maybe. Loves to ride horses. Number 3, you are filled with love. Your heart is like a magic cookie jar. All the love you need is never far. So reach inside and let that love out, and it will come back to you without a doubt. So all of us have so much love to give, so make sure that you're giving love to everyone in your family while we're stuck inside. Number 4, find a quiet place inside. Life can sometimes be so loud, it's hard to listen with all those sounds. Go to a quiet place inside where your mind can wander or just hide. So it looks like this little girl loves to paint and he likes to make music. So make sure that you guys, while we're stuck inside, make sure you guys do things that you love to do too, that help you stay calm. Number 5, make today great. In your life, plenty has happened so far. That's part of what makes you who you are. But don't worry too much about yesterday. What matters is what you do today. So even if you made mistakes yesterday or made bad choices yesterday, it's what happens today that matters. Every day is a new day. Number 6, change your thoughts to good. Some problems are big and some are small. Thinking good thoughts can help you solve them all. You can ask for help with what's bugging you. People who love you can help you decide what to do. So if you've got something that's going on in your life, make sure that you ask people. We talked about that last week, about stress management. So if you've got something that's bothering you, make sure you ask for help. Take care of yourself. If something or someone is making you feel bad, don't let it ruin your day by making you sad. Let go of the hurt and take care of you. You can't control what others say or do. Looks like these little girls are being mean to this little girl. So make sure, again, that you tell someone or you find a way to make yourself happy. Take care of yourself. Picture what you want. Pretend you are what you'd like to be. Make a picture in your mind so you can see that what you want can come true. If you believe in your heart, it will come to you. So this guy here is swimming and he wants to be maybe an Olympic swimmer. So if you believe that you can do anything, you will be able to do it. So believe in yourself. Everyone is special, especially you. You, and I mean it. There's something on earth that people can share. It's the source of all good and it's kindness everywhere. What is this great mystery, you may say? It is love that connects us together this way. And number 10, good thoughts give you energy. Bad thoughts zap your energy. Happy thoughts make you strong and free. It's a choice you make each day. So choose to be happy. That's the way. And these are the bad thoughts over here. I'm dumb. I can't. I'm scared. And then she's choosing to think good thoughts. I'm brave. I can do it. I'm smart. And that's the end of our story. So remember that you are incredible. I hope you have a great day today. Think happy thoughts, and I will see you soon.